So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add LUTs to CapCut. So first you need to open up a browser and you just have to type in free LUTs. You're gonna come to this Shutterstock link and you're just gonna click on the link and go down on the page and just click this download the free LUTs here, and then it's gonna be downloaded here on Google. You then just need to click on the zip file to unzip the files. We just need to go into the unzipped files, and the next thing we're gonna do is that we go into CapCut and we just click on this adjustment, and here you can import the LUTs. You can either click on this import, or you can just, the easier way is just to drag the files which you would like to import. So we're gonna just select all the files and we're gonna just drag them here, and now it's actually importing the materials for us, and now they are imported. So now we just open up CapCut and here are the LUTs. As you can see, if I go to the video, you can see that the LUTs are being applied. So you just need to drag the LUT which you would like to use over the video, and once it's over the video you have those basic things you can do with the LUTs, like auto adjust, color match, color correction. These are all available only with the pro version, which you can have the free trial by clicking the link in the description below. And you can also change the intensity of the LUT, and you can also change among the LUTs by clicking this arrow here, and it's just easier to see what the specific LUTs do. I recommend you to use the full intensity when looking at the LUTs first, and then you can adjust the intensity once you've chosen the one you would like to use. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add the LUTs to CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.